Hello. Hi,
I
how
love
are you?
it. It's very pretty.
Thank you. You are also beautiful.
Thank you. I'm good. How are you?
Uh, I'm good. Thank you. What's your name?
My name's Natalia.
Oh, nice to meet you, Natalia.
What's your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba. Nice to meet you, Sahiba.
Where
So
are
what
you
would
from?
I'm from America. How about
Oh,
you?
wow. I am from India,
Oh, very
part
nice.
of the Jammu and Kashmir, northern part.
Nice. I know this. I live in the east, the southeast.
Okay.
The southeast in
What's your
Alabama.
Okay. What's your profession?
I'm an English teacher and I teach little kids too.
You are only Cambly teacher. Do you someone else?
Yeah, I applied somewhere else too.
Okay. So you asked me some small question. I will try to answer your questions.
Okay.
I joined the Cambly 4 days ago. Just I am practicing.
Very nice. So what's
Yeah.
your profession, Sahiba?
Huh. Uh, I am student. Just I'm studying.
Very nice. What are you studying?
Uh, Sorry?
Are you in university?
No. Secondary school.
Oh, okay. Very nice.
Yes.
Very nice.
11th grade.
Oh, nice. Okay, so I'm 3 years older than you. I'm 3 years older than you.
Okay.
Very nice. So what do you like to do for fun, Sahiba?
Uh, Listening songs and watching movies.
Very nice. What type of
Yes.
songs do you like to listen to?
Uh, mm, Hindi songs.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
Very pretty. Let's see. I've only heard a few, but I think they're pretty. How
Okay.
about movies? What type of movies do you watch?
Uh, mm, Sorry?
What type of movies do you watch?
Hindi movies. I mean, um, motivational.
Very
Yeah.
nice. Why
Yes.
don't we try, let's see, a little game. This one's simple. So this or that. You pick one. Do you like movies or books?
Okay. Yeah. Okay,
Which do you like
nice.
more? So which one do you like more?
Shopping.
Shopping?
Yeah.
That's very nice. What do you like to shop for? Clothes, bags,
Dresses, yeah.
dresses. Very
Yeah.
nice.
Scarf.
hmm
Yeah.
That one's really pretty with the little, it looks like little flowers.
I like it.
Very nice. Do
Yeah.
you like pizza?
Yes. I like.
Very good. What other foods do you like?
Uh, Sorry?
What type of foods do you like?
Um, Dal roti.
What's that?
Rajma.
I don't know.
No, you. Okay. Chicken, rice,
Nice. Chicken
yeah,
and rice.
chapatis.
Very good. I like chicken and rice too.
Okay. So,
Oh, go ahead.
do you live with your family?
I do. I live with my mom, my dad, and my brother.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 19.
19.
19. So 19. 19.
Oh, wow. I'm 17.
Very nice.
Yeah. How many brothers or sisters?
I have one brother and one sister.
Oh,
sister.
okay.
How
You.
about you? Do you live with your family?
Mm, I live in my family. I have two brothers and two elder brothers and one elder sister.
Oh, so are you the youngest?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice. My brother is older and my sister is younger. So I'm in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah, very nice. Are you very close to your siblings? Friends?
Yes.
With your siblings? Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
My elder sister is married.
Oh,
I
very
live.
nice.
Um. I live in my elder brother.
You live with your elder brother?
Yeah.
That's really nice.
Yes. Have you visited India?
No, I've never went to India before.
Okay.
Can you tell me something about India?
Yeah, India is very beautiful place since in the is the time of coronavirus. Yeah. Uh, mm, we um, we are not spending good time. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Bad
what do you
situation.
do at home because of
Yeah.
coronavirus? Do you do school at home?
A home. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. Do you like online school?
Uh, n- yeah. Just yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Online classes.
Mhm. Are you able to see your friends and talk to your friends?
Yeah.
That's good. That's good.
Uh, mm, what's your hobby?
My hobby, I like to read,
Book.
and I like to draw things.
Okay, painting.
What about you?
Painting.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What do you like to paint?
Uh, mm, nature.
Nice, very
Yeah.
pretty. I like to paint nature too. I want to learn to paint faces.
Oh, nice.
I feel like it'll be a lot of fun. I have a friend that's going to teach me.
Okay.
What are your other hobbies?
Mm, read book. Listening BBC.
I like BBC.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice.
very good.
That's
Very
great.
good. Yes, that's very great. It's exciting that you're learning English. You're doing a wonderful job.
Oh. I don't like.
You don't like bears?
Yeah.
I think they're cute. But it was nice to meet you, Sahiba. We only have a
Okay,
little
nice
bit of
to meet
time.
you too. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Time over.